Let's be creative, let's be innovative. Salaam alaikum everyone. Today I'm gonna make a gift box help from a Matchbox. So let's get started. So I'm gonna take the match sticks out. Okay. And then I'll just stick them out. Okay, now let them go aside. Now I take my paper, shiny paper, then I'll glue it on the Matchbox. So let's stick my glue. It is UHU. Let's put the glue on. Now I'll just close the cap and I'll just stick the Matchbox onto it. It will look beautiful. There are apples on it. Now I'll glue it from this side to stick it up. There, I'll just make it into a straight line and stick it. It's not sticking. There, we are almost done. You just have to stick it and we are done. Press it hard and done. Let's get this front side away and let's get to our bottom side. I'm just gonna paint it with purple from inside. It's dark purple. My favorite color is purple. Color it from the sides and just more, and I'm almost done. Color from this side and that side. Now I'm just going to paint it more and I'm almost done. Now I am done. Now I'm gonna decorate it with stars. I'll just put it inside. Now you can put anything in. Now I'm gonna put these cuttings because I love it with these. Now just get a little bit of out because they are gone too much. Now I'm gonna put anything like gift. You can put anything like candies, necklace, charms, or anything you like to put, but it should be small so it can fit in. Now I'll just put that duck, which is a necklace charm, close it, and someone will get the gift. Now what's in? Let me see. It's a candy. Something been changed. Now what's in? Maybe something been again a magic? Oh, now it's a tiny bottle of perfume. Oh no, it's keep on changing. You can put any small things to put in the gift box. Now, like our video, subscribe our video. Until then, bye. Bye.